Yo, miawezo ve strong Eʋegbe le CEANA media. Alo nukpɔƒe, alo TV. Yo. Dynamic.
Gamesu.
Miva.
Miva strong Eʋegbe. Miva opo Ghana. Gamesu. All right. Well.
Yo. Dynamic. Reku elegbo. Ne egbafe. Now.
All right. Yo. Akwebe. Nilafia egba. To listen to us. To learn and to enjoy the language called Eʋegbe. Now, last week, Mejago viade ye me like we're gonna buy reading for Professor Dekorn. All of a sudden, I ran into French somewhere on the same page. I don't know what I had done. So I made a little error. And here we are. Let me introduce him again. Professor Hope Kwami Dekorn is a lecturer and early career researcher at the Department of Education of the University of Education, Winneba. He holds a BA in Ewe Education and a master's in philosophy in Ghanaian Language Studies, that is particularly Ewe, from the University of Education, Winneba. He is currently a PhD student at the Linguistics Department of the University of Ghana. His areas of interest include the grammar and syntax of Ewe and the morphology of Ewe and translation, that is, that of English and Ewe. He also has a keen interest in the Ghana Togo Mountain, quote-unquote GTM languages, and the language of Ewe cluster in general. Prof, sorry, Bear, maybe I got the last time with your intro. Here we are. I'd like to introduce to you again Nufialaga Eʋegbe is Professor Dekorn.
Yo, akpe da nami. Ta Eʋegbe miagbagbaje mia akwera mi atando français gbevie ha ta na introduction na gake alo dedefia ta me de koko na mi ga kongu la be français a menye français gbedola mienyo ta de ko mi gbagbaje mko ta mi de koko na mi yo ke ma français gbemeto Monsieur Hope Mliwomor Kwami Dekorn est maître de conférences et chercheur en début de carrière au Département de l'Éducation de Ewe de l'Université d'Éducation de Winneba. Il est titulaire d'un baccalauréat en éducation Ewe et d'une maîtrise en études de la langue ghanéenne Ewe de l'Université d'Éducation de Winneba. Il est actuellement doctorant au Département de linguistique de l'Université du Ghana. Ses domaines d'intérêt comprennent la grammaire et la syntaxe de l'Ewe, la morphologie de l'Ewe. Oui, merci. Merci beaucoup.
Bon. Très bien.
Mercy. Yo, akwe ta ke mi agata mi shi akwe na Professor Ho Dekorn Egbon.
All right.
Yo, akpe re mon popota be mi gava Togo. Ni cho mi jena no goma. Mi ro fiaro ta egba mi ga jibe mi ga yiji. Kaka ma Togo na no hiu ka ma jibe ma awo mi haro chu nwenya. Nyapa enwonwonlo sro Eʋegbe a. Makwe na mi project ya srola ngochi magare le tama ga kama no jejemu. Ta nya alampuram ta srola edire ngochi ma s r o ta edire ngochi ma ta azu sro ta ngochi magbele o la tama
Srɔƒe.
yo sro akpenami. Okay. Majiba magada kpere mon popota maje egome kple miaƒe nyitsɔ eva hiã be ma aƒo ŋu tso eʋegbesɔsrɔ̃ atu ƒo tso eʋegbesɔsrɔ̃ ŋuti alo ale ke eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ va tsɔ dze gɔme gake nyitsɔ ma eyama mete ɖe mɔ na mi o ta ewoe be nyemete wo ŋu ma o ke egbe la madzi be ma adze agbagba awo akpama be mi katã miate ŋu akpo eʋeawo ƒe ŋutinya ku ɖe eʋegbesɔsrɔ̃ la ŋuti. Okay. All right. Nuyiwo ke le afia godzia nye mɔ ŋkpɔkpɔ nye be afi mia awɔ vɔ nuyiwo nate ŋu su mia si nye taɖodzi nu yi ke le mia si le egbe ƒe ŋkekea me ta miade dzesi eʋegbe ƒe ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo medzi be miagbugbɔ agato ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo me ake be miate ŋu labe nyitsɔ ma eya meɖe mɔ na mi o ta miakpɔ gbɔ be miate ŋu ayo ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo eye miade dzesiwo le enyawo me hã. Okay. Ke nusɔsrɔ̃ le eʋegbe ŋua miagblɔ be edze gɔme tso eyime ke yevuwo va mia gbɔ vevietɔ dzamawo wodze gbe kaka le miaƒe eʋegbea ŋuti. Wo dometɔ yiwo ke edze ŋu lele ɖi gɔmea woƒe taɖodzinu vevietɔe nye be wodzi be eʋegbea yewoate ŋu ado eʋegbea eye yewoate ŋu axlẽ eʋegbea eye wodzi hã vevie be ame yiwo ke yewo mawunya gblɔm na ameawo nate ŋu ase eʋegbea ye woate ŋu ase gbe yi ke gblɔm yewo le na woate ŋu ase egɔme. Ya ta wodze eʋegbea egbe kaka le eʋegbea ŋu kple ale yi ke wowɔ aŋlɔ eʋegbea na mi. Ta ŋkulole ɖe ŋgɔdoawo ƒe kple wo yomedzelawo ƒe nuleɖiwo me kɔa ya ŋuti ko miate ŋu ato atu ƒo le eʋegbea ŋu wɔ de. Ta egbã Reverend SW Quayle yenye ame gbãtɔ yi ke ƒo Afrika gbegbɔgblɔ 100 kple edzivɔwo ŋuƒu ɖe agbalẽ aɖe yi ke woɖe ŋkɔ na be Polyglotta Africana yi wota le 1854 alo ƒe 1954 me. Gbegbɔgblɔ yawo dome gbegbɔgblɔ ɖewo le yiwo ke mi yɔna be the Slave Coast Languages alo kluvi ƒuta ƒe gbegbɔgblɔwo. Le kluvi ƒuta ƒe gbegbɔgblɔwo ma míede dzesi gbegbɔgblɔwo abe adaŋkpe yi ke nye adaŋgbe, amfoe, ƒira yi ke nye xira, dahume kple maxi. Dahumea yi koe nye efɔgbe yi ke mi yɔna. Efɔgbea mea nu wɔme eve le me, egbetagbe alo dialect wɔme eve le me. Woawo nye maxi kple gum. Ta ede dzesi gbegbɔgblɔ mawo. Gake le Quayle ƒe nuleɖiawo ma gbegbɔgblɔ atɔ̃hiawo ƒe nya geɖe yiwo ke sɔ miakpɔe be wosɔ kple eʋegbetɔwo ƒe le gɔmesese ŋu eye wo ga de sɔsɔge kple eʋegbetɔwo le tuturo hã ŋu ale ko ŋlɔ nyawo lia wo de sɔsɔge hã nenema ke yi ke ɖi fia bena egbe hewoa wo kple eʋegbea wonye gbe aɖewo yiwo ke ɖi wo nɔewo. Jebis Klegel yi hã ede dzesi ʋegbe ƒe gbetagbe atɔ̃ ɖe eƒe agbalẽ yi ke wòɖe ŋkɔ na be Sklusel zur Ewe Sprache eye wota le eƒe 1959 me le Stuttgart le Berlin afi ma wota agbalẽ ma le. Gbetagbe yiwo ke wòde dzesia wowoe nye that is gbetagbe nye dialect ma wonye Amfoe, Dahume, Wita yi ke nye Hira kple Aŋlɔ kple Mahi. Gbetagbe yawo ƒe akpa gãtɔ nye eyiwo ke Kwel yi ke hã wòdɔ le ƒe 1954 me yi ke míkpɔ va yi ede dzesiwo abe gbegbɔgblɔ nuɖokuisiwo ene gake ame ya va de dzesiwo be wonye gbegbɔgblɔ ɖewo yiwo ke nye alɔdzi ne egbegbɔgblɔ ɖe ko. Ne míetsɔ gbetagbe ƒe nyawo yiwo ke dze le ŋuleɖiawo me kple enya mawo ƒe tutuɖowo kɔsɔ míakpɔ ale yi ke míwo ŋlɔmee egbea eye míade dzesi be wosɔ le go geɖe me negbe ego ʋɛ aɖewo me ko vovototo vivivi aɖewo va le nya aɖewo me le edɔ yi ke Dietrich Westermann kple wotɔwo wɔ le eʋegbea ŋua ewoe be woƒe ŋkɔ mavɔ le ŋu gake hafi Westermann kple wotɔwo na awɔ dɔ mi gbãtɔ Dr. Ernest Henrici eƒe agbalẽ aɖe yi ke woɖe ŋkɔ na be Lehrbuch de Epe Sprache yi ke wota le ƒe 1991 me yi hã wote le Berlin. Ta me dzi be míalé ŋku ɖe ŋu míakpɔe be ame yiwo ke wò dɔ geɖe le eʋegbea ŋua wonye ame yiwo ke enye German yevuawo eyiwo ke va eno mía gbɔ eye wo ekpɔ bena edze be yewo aŋlɔ eʋegbea alo yewo dɔ le eʋegbea ŋu be yewo zẽ eʋegbea atsɔ akake mawunya ne ame yiwo ke yewo va mawunya gblɔm na. Ta agbalẽ ma yi ke Ernest Henrici ŋlɔ ma ede dzesi eʋegbe ƒe alɔdzewo abe aŋlɔ, anexɔ kple dahume ene. Ya ta egbea mígblɔna be egbegbɔgblɔ yiwo ke le efɔ mígblɔna be yi hã nye eʋegbe ko alo mígblɔna be is also part of the Gbe language cluster. That in the Gbe language cluster we have Ewe, we have Fon, we have Flaflera, we have Gen and all other languages. Ta le afi ma godzia le gbalẽ ma efia ŋu tso gbeɖiɖiwo kple wotɔwo keŋ kple enyawo eʋegbe ƒe tutuɖowo ŋuti eye wòtɔ si nya ha vovovowo dzi le eʋegbea me. Le Henrici yoma afi Dietrich Westermann yi hã nye German yevuwo ke ame ma ewɔ dɔ gã geɖe le míaƒe eʋegbea ŋu le gbegbe. Ya ta megblɔe do ŋgɔ be hafi ame ŋgɔdowo nava yia hafi le ŋgɔdoawo megbea ye nye ame yi ke gava wɔ dɔ geɖewo le eʋegbea ŋuti. Ta wɔ dɔ le gbea ƒe gbeɖiɖiwo enyawo ŋuti va se ɖe eʋegbea ƒe lekewɔnuwo abe egliwo, alobalowo, adzowo kple ehawo kpakple xotutu. Ewɔ dɔ geɖe le numawo katã ŋuti le eʋegbea me. Ta edɔ yiwo ke wɔ le eʋegbea ŋua ewoe be eƒe ŋkɔ mavɔ le eʋegbea ŋu akpɔ. Le ƒe 1995 mea Westermann ede dzesi xaxa gbeɖiɖiwo le eʋegbea ŋuti. Eya ke te eʋegbe nya aɖewo ƒoƒu eye wòwɔ what we call a diglot, the Ewe diglot, where you have the Ewe word, we have English words and their translation into Ewe and their translation into the English language, which is a diglot. Ere ŋkɔ nɛ be gbesela yeye. Ere English benya aɖewo hã gɔme ɖe eʋegbefiala hã me. So eŋlɔ gbalẽ aɖe hã yi ke woɖe ŋkɔ na be a study of the Ewe language le ƒe 1990 me eye wòde dzesi xaxa gbeɖiɖiwo ɖe woƒe ehatsotsowo me. Okay, vestama ƒe nyahiwo ke gbedidiwo ko de dzesi le egbe ma wo dometɔ ɖewo koe va change alo wo va tɔtrɔm gake geɖeawoa wo katã wo le eteƒe nenema pɛpɛ. Eƒe ablɔɖe gbedidiwo ko de dzesi na mi le ƒegbea me hã wo katã wo le nenema pɛpɛpɛ. FK Potake ya nye ame aɖe yi ke de dzesi ese yiwo ke ku ɖe ʋegbeŋɔŋlɔ ŋuti le Teachers Journal me le ƒe akpe ɖeka lɔ ƒe asieke blaetɔ̃ vɔ ade me. Tso ɣe ma yi dzi va se ɖe egbea tɔtrɔ geɖewo gava ʋegbea ŋɔŋlɔ me. Ta míagblɔ be Potake nye ame gbãtɔ eʋeawo ŋutɔwo ƒe ame gbãtɔ dometɔ ɖeka eyi ke ede dzesi ʋegbea ƒe eƒe enya aɖewo kple wotɔwo na mi hafi ame geɖeawo gava ekplɔe ɖo. Sam Obiani ya dzagbagba le ʋegbea ŋu. Sam Obiani ma enye gbadzemetɔ wònye tso míaƒe Togo Mountain languages awo ƒe akpa ɖeka yi wòtso. Ya wò dɔ geɖe le ʋegbea ŋu na mi. Ete ʋegbe ŋuti ŋunya akpa gbãtɔ le ƒe akpe ɖeka lɔ ƒe asieke blaatɔ̃ me eye akpa evelia ehi ɖe go le ƒe akpe ɖeka alɔ ƒe asieke blaatɔ̃ vɔ enelia me. Ke ame bubuwo hã gawɔ edɔ geɖe le eʋegbea sɔsrɔ̃ ŋuti. Sike Nyɔmi ya wò dɔ le ʋegbea sɔsrɔ̃ ŋuti eye eya ƒe enya yiwo ke wòle da ɖi ku ɖe enya how the word classes, how we can mention the word classes in Ewe or how we can appropriately name them in Ewe was started by Sike Nyɔmi. Sike Nyɔmi edze numawo gɔme dɔ mawo gɔme na mi hafi ame mamlɛwo eva eyi ɖe edzi. Magblɔ ko bena le ŋumeɖeɖewo ŋua Sike Nyɔmi la enye ame gbãtɔ yi ke edze ŋumeɖeɖe tso ʋegbea ŋuti me. Edze ʋegbea kɔ ɖe ŋume tso ʋegbea ŋuti. Ekpɔ zi geɖe hafi ya eƒe ɣeyiɣi nava ame geɖeawo no ŋume ɖem tso ʋegbea ŋu wozã Eʋegbe ekɔ ewɔnɛ gake eƒe ŋumeɖeɖewo ku ɖe ʋegbea ŋua eze Eʋegbe sɔŋ etsɔ wɔwoe. Hekpe ɖe dɔ yi ke wòwɔ ŋua ede dzesi eŋlɔ Eʋegbe ƒe tutuɖo eŋu tso Eʋegbe ƒe tutuɖo ŋuti eye wòfia ŋu geɖewo yi ke wòɖe ŋkɔ na be the study of Ewe locative nominals yi wòte le ƒe akpe ɖeka lɔ ƒe asieke blaadre vɔ asiekelia me. Menye eya ɖeka ko Bureau of Ghana Languages hã ewɔ dɔ le ʋegbea ŋuti. Wova de dzesi be ehiã be ʋegbea ale yi ke míeŋlɔ mea míagbugbɔ aŋlɔ nɔlɔ ɖeka dzi. Ya ta wokpe ʋegbe ŋuti nunyalawo tso Togo, Benin kple teƒe mawo kple Ghanatɔwo katã wova nɔ anyi eye le ƒe akpe ɖeka alɔ ƒe asieke blaasieke vɔ atɔ̃lia ma woɖe agbalẽ aɖe ɖe go eye wota agbalẽ ma le again le 1997 yi ke nye ƒe akpe ɖeka alɔ ƒe asieke blaasieke vɔ adrelia me. Enye enyamama le Eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ me. Ame mawo ƒe agbagbadzedzewo kple wotɔwo katã wodze le míaƒe Eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ kple Eʋegbe sɔsrɔ̃ me. Ke ame mamlɛ yiwo ke gava nɔ wo yome wonye SK Amegashi kple FK Atakpa. Wodze agbagba geɖe le Eʋegbea fiafia kple kadodo yiwo ke nɔ nyawo dome le Eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ ma wodze agbagba geɖe le wo ŋuti. SK Amegashi eŋlɔ Eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ eye nenema ke Amegashi egado nusɔsrɔ̃ le Eʋegbea ƒe tutuɖo ŋu xa ɖe ŋgɔ to Eʋegbe ƒe tutuɖo ŋɔŋlɔ me. Enyawo gɔmesese hã ganye agbalẽ ɖeka yi ke SK Amegashi gaŋlɔ. Le eya yomea míakpɔe be ame aɖewo hã gawɔ dɔ abe Nufialaga aɖe nɔ Legon yi ke míeyɔna be Professor Dati ya megale agbe egbe Professor Dati ya wɔ dɔ geɖewo le Eʋegbea ƒe tutuɖo kple eƒe enya aɖewo ŋuti. Ko magblɔ be le míaƒe Eʋegbea ŋutia amehewo nye ame yiwo ke wɔ dɔ geɖewo na mi eye wona be Eʋegbea ezɔ ɖe ŋgɔgbe. Dana mi le afi ma. Afia míeɖo fia madi be eta míaƒe ƒotutua wɔwoe nye ma ta mía agazɔ ɖe ŋgɔgbe gake míaƒo dometsotso aɖe.
Yo, míawɔ ɖe fifia. All right. Okay. History ele heavy lo. the people seem to have loved us. They seem to have really loved the Ewe language, or maybe where they lived, around the coastal areas or whatever. Just love the Ewe people to have done all this research. Yeah, and I was going to ask, Nukata or take time to do all that for us. Other than loving us, I think, like you said, in order for them to communicate with us, especially with the religion and all those things that are coming. So that's very interesting to know.
Actually.
Another grammar.
They wanted to speak to the hearts of the people, and they needed a language to do so.
Naturally.
So when you speak to an individual in the language that he understands, it gets into his heart.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yes.
That's the kind of thing we try to teach the children, in our agile learning, for 3 years, so that if they have a word, if they're able to speak to you nicely, respectfully, with some etiquette around it, naturally you're gonna really like them and try to help them. Yeah. So like you said, you didn't say it today, but then if you teach an expatriate a few words, it goes a long way to them in whatever country that they are in. Okay. Dr. Wadamedeku, nami interlude there. You have a short,
Yo, Apprende, Professor Dekorn, o defiami, efia, enyonto, elabe, jivamias, ni mogom. Abe ale mionto mienya na, miatog biokle mia mamawa, echa, onglo, ngede, yono, Egypte, nyibaji. Ta gake ni movabu ngonglo movabu alabe ta miedakpene Aƒetɔ Dekorn be onami ale miegavaje ngonglo gome ta akpe ke mereku miegbona kpi miegbona akpe na mi.
Ao miglena bosanuba ao blo novio miglena satanaba ao blo novio miglena bosanuba ao blo novio miglena satanaba ao blo 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 miglena bosanuba ao blo novio miglena satanaba ao bloe ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 ao miglena bosanuba ao blo novio miglena satanaba ao bloe ao miglena bosanuba ao blo novio miglena satanaba ao blo 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 miglena bosanuba ao blo novio miglena satanaba ao blo jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 Ajato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 ao miglena bosanuba ao blo novio miglena satanaba ao blo novio miglena bosanuba ao blo novio miglena satanaba ao blo
Hey. Enyamto. Fifiala me Professor Blair, spelling of Noah, we'll put the accent. French with accent. I don't know. I guess it's not the only one I know is accent Eʋegbe. That one I remember. So I don't know what this accent is, but we will do it. Yeah. All right, cap off. And I could use your low.
Yo, apa? Ta le miama le hama. Roko ba sroma makpola ma go je ya gaba umi. Ta ya okle o ma gala ma go ha. Yo, abala ma kule ba ye na mi ala kure apa.
Yo, nyatope. Alabe nwike enye mveviare kana glovia prof. Alaba oma yema miepo ngia miepo ha miepo via ngonglo ma shron ajabe onye o ikelale C inverted in English C, so the mirror image of C. Gakea nwike nyekpona jigede nyebe miafe keyboard or computer keyboard platomoa gedewa miafe ngonglo jeshima le audio ta enana be nenyebe nengwanglo ma meten Eʋegbe tomo togbi wogel gake ni jojo menyebe fifia ni high tech company gedewa ogbagba jembele ke yowe alebeke ne keyboard mao anonyi ke ne Eʋegbe kple Africa gbel kple egbe bubu yiwo ke woƒe nuyo menye Latin, or they are not based on Latin. They can communicate.
Yo,
alrighty.
Vivi ko ni o ko ni o da dogbo ta ayonyoga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So over to you, Prof.
Yo, biaro la fia gaka. Nyama jiba mia aro mchiore mia pare yata mia zore ngogbere. Ne mia lankure wi kami woni chova ye. Ama kobe yama ba de mia jo. Ta enwo gere wo miete esewo. Ta majiba maiji alankure Eʋegbe pe ngonglo jeshi o maga juru ma egba. Akpira be nkawe ele wo menami ha. Mi wo ngonglo jeshi ndo le mia pe ngonglo me. Ne mi be mia nglu afun na ma mi ngonglo jeshi mi wo nchi do. Plus susu be mia te ngonglu wa amana te ngo segome. Are mia pe susu oglo. To enyawo kple nyagbe wo zazame. Ngonglo jeshi yo kele mia shi le Eʋegbe ma o me bla atoy. Ne mi be ngonglo jeshi ato wo na gbedidio. Gbedidiawo a enye nwiyo ke mi le mfo enye mfo to kakele ngonglo ma nwiyo ke mi zana which are the graphemes, and we are talking about the graphemes which are the alphabets. Ye pe nya gblom mi le fi enye ngonglo jeshi awo blaton ile mi shi le Eʋegbe ma. Ngonglo jeshi blaton ma wo nye reke to tso abedere va se re z. Ta wo nye eyo ke gbona. Ajibe ma axlewo nya ayo mia kpo pe yoyo ple ne mi wovo nya va azawo le enyawo me. Ngonglo jeshi yo la fi reke to ko he. Eva jona ba ngonglo jeshi aro no na nya yo ke wo ƒona kpli. Wo wo reka afufu ako anya mi reka anya yoyo reka oyo. Alo anya ngonglo reka onlo. Onya ablore onya ngonglo jeshi ko kpli o. Reke to onya heyo. Ne mi kwe mi akwe wo pe lolo to plus sweet to we eli. The upper case and the lower case. Egba nto nya a Levelia nya b d D. E. Yekpo la nyamai fu ayanya mia ka okla fu odawo ni origa okla fu odawo ni origa gaka amahe ashikiara la yate ta fu mi ba da shikere ta ko ariba fu g Z. Yo akpa ta nyapa agbadidiawo ngonglo jeshiawo yo kala nyashia wo nyama kaka abale kama glena ngonglo jeshia roli yo kanya ngonglo jeshi yo ka fokuli owuraka tani mi ko k plap afofo mi pona p na mi ko g plap afofo mi pona b na mi ko t plus eko fofo mi pona ch na mi ko d plus afofo azuna j nyenya mi o kata kpogale nyauma yata mi ga chiji kro mi o kpogale nyauma ngoma ale ke mi yona o le nyauma mi o kpogale afima j aka yaru yelia mi kona o da ton ha t s play no nya bodo gwo mi yone ba chi Na mi ko n kple ye ekɔkpea mi kpɔna nyi. Mi kpɔna nyi. Ema enya yo kema mi kpɔnɛ la enye nyi, nyɔ, nyo, nya kple bubuawo. Azɔ mialé ŋku ɖe wo ŋuti le enyawo me. A. Enya yiwo ke me míekpɔ a la wowoe nye hewo a. Egbeɖiɖi ma nye ablɔɖe gbeɖiɖi alo ŋɔŋlɔ dzesi yi ke nye ablɔɖetɔ. A. Míakpɔe le nyawo me abe ame. Ame. Avu. 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 Ame is human. Human. Avu. Avu. Dog. Dog. Ja. Ja. Ja could mean to rain, something to rain. To rain. Or any other meaning. Ja. Ja. J. A. Ja. Ŋɔŋlɔ dzesi b. 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 Míekpɔ nyawo abe b. B. Or b. B. To hide. To hide. Or b. That is a kind of plant. B. The one that is used to build thatch. It's thatch actually, to build a thatch house. Thatch. Bleu. 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 It could be the tail. Bleu. A tail. Or to deceive someone. Abo. 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 So we can see b. Alo miapo b le afima gojiake abo. Abola is arm. Arm. Abo. Arm. Arm. D. 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 Nyekpo nyawo abe da. Da. Snake. Da. Snake. De. De. E. De. De. E. De.
De.
That could mean palm nuts. Palm nuts. De.
Dedechi.
Dedechi. De. De.
De.
Do.
Do.
Do. Town. 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 Do. De.
Do.
Do. Town. De. Do. Town.
Town.
Ado. A-D. O. Ado. Squirrel.
Ado.
Ado. Squirrel.
Ado.
Adon.
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 Dre. Dre.
Dre.
Dre. Dre.
Dre.
Dre. Dre. Dre.
Dre. Dre.
Dre. Dre.
It's nasal. It's tonal. I can't get it.
Dre. Dre.
Yeah. Dre.
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 As in adu. Adu. Tooth. Adu. Adu. U. Adu. Adu.
Adu.
Adu. Tooth.
Adu.
Dre. Dra. Hair. Dra. Hair. Dra. Hair. Ade. 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 E. Ade.
Ade.
Ade. Ade.
Ade.
Ade.
Ade.
Ade.
Ade.
Which is ade, which is tongue. Tongue. The tongue. Our
Oh,
tongue.
yes. Yes.
Ade.
Hmm.
Do.
Do.
Or do. Do or do. Do is gunpowder. Do. Do is gunpowder.
Mm.
Or it could mean do, which is to eat. Do, to eat.
Do. Madunu.
Madunu, do, to eat.
Do.
E.
E. E.
E. Aha.
E.
So le ngonglo ma enya miapo nyawo le ma abe f or f, depending on the tone. Gberoro ikene dare eji yata nyahewo yo mala manya nyahewo katanye atenwo anya wi yoyo bubu ale ikene yue gake kayo yo mala. These are the ones that I am saying that we can they are just examples. Onya wi yoko onya koranwo yoke blomale ta f, which could be a claw f, claw f, f, claw k e k k e k
K.
sand
Sand. I got it.
sand
I remember.
sand
Sand.
sand
Sand.
t e t
Te.
t
Te.
t, which is yam.
Te.
T, yam.
Te. I need to know.
It could mean a different thing if a different tone is on it. T, yam. E.
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 In words like le,
Le.
le,
Le.
le,
Le.
le, which
Le.
is it's a kind of fruit. It's a kind of fruit that we eat. Le.
Le.
It's a kind of fruit. I don't know the actual English name, but it's a kind of fruit. Elle, odwale, elle is a kind of fruit. Then te, which is an ant.
Ant. Yeah.
Your aunt, your father's sister, your father's sister, or your mother's sister.
Yeah.
Is an aunt. So te,
Che.
che,
Che.
which is
A twin.
a twin, one of the first of two male twins, which is che. Or it could be someone's younger, a younger person to another person. So che. All right. Fu. Fu. So we get words like fu, enyao about fu, which is feather. Fu, feather.
Okay.
Fu. For, it could be to wake up, or for, to pick.
For.
Or for. To wake up, or for, to pick.
Okay.
So we can see it in another word like fear or fear. Fear to teach, or fear. Or fear, which is a chief. Chief. Fu. Can you see the way I pronounce it? Fu. No, fu. No, the two lips must actually come together. The upper and the lower lip must come together. When we hear before talk, Ejifo tokle anyibato elebe wova emoviare na no ya na dogo atoma.
Yo.
Fu. Aha, fu. Fu. Okay. Fu. In this la kayama nyakpo enyao abe fe. Fe.
Fe.
Allo fe. Fe. Which is fe. Which is year.
Yeah.
Fe.
Year now. Mm-hmm.
Fe. Year.
Fe.
Year.
Fe.
Then we can have fu, which is bone. Fu.
Yeah. Fu.
Bone. Fu. Bone. We can have fo, which is to beat, or cereal. Cereal is also fo. That kind of I don't know. It's a cereal is actually, it can also be called fo, or to beat.
Okay.
Or it could also mean the stomach. It can also be fo.
Apple. That's why they say fufu. That is, I mean, like expecting. That's a fu.
No,
right?
No, yeah, fu. But this one is fo. So it's the fu actually is in the previous alphabet, which is fu. This one.
Oh,
fu,
okay.
Pregnancy.
Yeah.
It could be pregnancy.
Oh, okay. It's in this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really interesting.
All
you
right.
just speak it.
Okay. So g. So you can have words like g. Words like g, which is actually, it could be beard, a beard of a man. So it's g. Ga, which is money. Ga. Money. Ga. Money. Gla. Jaw. The jaw. Gla. Jaw. Yeah. The jaw. Gla. Jaw. All right. Yeah. So we have words like which is the sun. Sun.
Yeah.
Sun. Then we have to hide. To hide. To hide. White. White. Her. As in word like ha, which is pig, ha, or it could be ha, song, or it could also mean to take a major part of something hurriedly because you are holding something to yourself. So ha. When someone is holding something to himself, ha. Ha. And it could be song, or it could also mean a pig. A clan. 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 Yeah. Here. Poverty. Here. Poverty. Or here, which is to need something, to need, or to need something.
Yeah.
Okay. Her.
That's different.
So, her, yeah. So the other one was her. The other one, this one is her. This is her. But this one is her. Yeah. So we have ho, house. Ha, broom. Ha, broom. Yeah. Herky, umbrella. Umbrella. E. So, anyhow, about ati stick or tree. A tree or stick. Ati. C to run away. C to run away. Chi. C to run away. Chi, water. Chi, water. Or to grow. Chi, to grow. K. Yeah, K. As in, anyhow, about ko. K or ko. Neck. Or ko, to take. To carry something up. Ko. K, which is sand. Sand. Sand.
Okay.
Claw. To wash.
To wash, clean.
Wash. A hard thing. When you are washing something hard, we say that you are unwoklong. That may be different when you are washing something that is soft. Okay. Claw. No. Dynamic.
Yes, sir.
You
want a little break in there so that I can get my energy back.
Yes, please.
Okay. Me I throw over in two minutes.
Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Migrena satana ba ao blo. Novio migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Migrena satana ba ao blo. Ao blo. Migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Migrena satana ba ao blo. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Migrena satana ba ao blo. Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Migrena satana ba ao blo. Jokato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Ʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Ʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao migre na bosanu ba, ao blo novio. Migre na sakana ba, ao blo. Novio migre na bosanu ba, ao blo novio. Migre na sakana ba, ao blo.
All right. I was just
Yo, Akpe.
Akpe.
All right. Mia Iraji. Mia Iraji didi. Lojeshi ka plurubo. My jire.
Oh, Efodoc, Mia Ijia. Hello.
Barakwe, Mia Iji. Hello.
Mia Iji.
Na mi habu bujima. Mia tan.
Do he Mia Iji, maybe 5 minutes are there.
Yo, thank you.
Okay, so maybe 5 more Nuhiko. Okay,
Five more alphabets.
We have some questions, sir. Na madene, nanele amade.
Bia delia.
La Malaysia.
So, Gabia dele amareshia. Nkweda afuma kona. Doc na wanu hi.
Bia delia ama tana. Kayo bona mi wogala gbegbe ade yo ha mi ana amo na tayo alabe ke na mi yo ka mi pon na mi apa Nufialaga lo professor ke mi bi abia okwa ke ade yo akpe.
Okay. Kamadeko, are you nami for another 5 letters are there?
Ayo,
we don't want you to stop. It's just too interesting.
All right, Akpe. Na nya ngomlo jeshi kele nya ngoyenya l aha ta ajala nya ma ba lo crocodile lo crocodile crocodile lo agaje le nya ma ba l on long laugh or to laugh yeah
to laugh long
to laugh long yeah to laugh
long
to laugh claw
it's like
claw yeah claw
like
claw yeah to wash
yeah to wash just like
to wash claw so the letter is the alphabet is there right in the middle of the two alphabets k and o. So claw
Maklashi.
Yeah, maklashi. So we can find it in the word like more, which is road. Road.
Yes.
Road. More.
Molifa. Yeah,
Molifa.
Okay,
so how a child is forced to eat, like a child, when you are forcing a child to drink cocoa, like this kind of jobo. Na jiba revia na no jobo plotoma o mi mo na revia. More revila. So forcing the child to drink the porridge.
Hold your nose.
Yes, that's it.
Your nose is.
Yes.
Yeah, nonsense.
Mo.
They did it to all of us.
Yeah, mu.
Mm.
Mu
Mm.
is mosquito.
Mm.
Mu, mosquito.
Mm.
Mu. It could be mu.
Mm.
To fall. When something falls. Mu. To fall.
Mm. Okay.
Ami.
Ami. Oil.
Ami.
Oil.
Which is
Ami.
oil. Oil. Ami. Ami.
Part of my name, huh?
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Mm. Mm. Mm. Mm. Mm. Yeah.
I can see your teeth, but I can't bring mine out.
Right. Mm.
Mm.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah. You got it.
Mm. Okay. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
So in words like n, which is coconuts. N, coconuts.
Ne.
Yeah. Nu, something. Nu, something. Or nu, mouth.
Nu.
The mouth. Nu, the mouth.
Oh.
Then
La bouche. La bouche.
yeah.
En
Yeah, la
français.
bouche.
Okay.
No. No.
No. No.
No, which is
No.
the breast. Breast.
Oh,
Or
I thought it was
no.
no. No. No.
No. Yeah. Yeah.
No.
No to drink. So when you drinking like breasts. So
Okay.
no. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Yeah, Dr. Gada,
Okay.
give a keyboard. All Malagio. You know, Mia, O R do, hello, or.
Okay. Akpe.
Which one is this one?
Mm. 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 I could my blonde like So in words like ngo.
Oh.
Yeah, ngo is it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence.
Yes, ngo.
Yeah, it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence.
Ngo. So it's another type of N, right?
Yeah, but this is the taily N.
Taily N.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's so you have ngo. Yeah.
Ngo.
Yeah, ngo is it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence. It could also mean when something when you pierce through, when something is pierced through.
Yes.
You pierce through something.
But like busted.
Yeah. Yeah, you bust the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
So to break. 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 To break. Yes, to break something. When you have something and you break it, you break the thing. It could also mean to grow or to mold.
Okay.
To write.
That's it.
Yeah, to write. To write, or we have to coil.
Oh, to cut.
Yeah,
okay.
coil something. Coil something.
Okay.
O.
O. O.
O. You see it in words like enyawo abe mo, face. Mo.
Okay.
Face. Yeah.
Mo.
Mo. To. To there could mean a mountain. Yeah, to. It could mean a mountain. It could mean the ear. Or it could also mean someone's in-law, your father-in-law. Father-in-law. It could also mean father-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah, or brother-in-law. To.
Do. Okay.
Then we have do.
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 Which is a hole. A hole.
Do.
Hole. Yeah, hole or a pit. Hole or a pit. Hole or a pit.
Do.
Hole or a pit.
So, Doc, that particular word, can I ask a question?
Yes, ask your question.
For instance, do. We have doto. So,
Doto.
why is it like keep quiet, right? Is that not what that means?
Yeah.
Quiet.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
there's a do and a to come together.
No, it's not the do, it's do. That the alphabet you are using is dr, not d.
That one.
The tele d. You are using the tele d. So do, to, do,
okay.
To.
Okay.
So
okay.
It's actually something that relates to the ear. So they don't want to hear you again. So do to.
Okay.
So to there relates to the ear.
That
they don't want to hear you again. They don't want to hear what you are saying again. So do to.
Okay. All right. Do. Okay. Thank you. Real good.
I think can we
do we have the 5? Do we have the 5, Doc?
Yes, actually. This is the, I think this is the 6th one, or
I think we can go on forever. So maybe we should just get an interlude and tell us something. Do you see a comment, Prof, do you see any comments that only you can see that maybe you can answer, please? Is there comments that you
I don't have any.
All right. Okay.
I don't have any comment here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, Doc, what do you want us to do now? You want us to end it?
Ella Prof, but manya beza dola mi agbota.
Prof,
yeah. That's fine. I can do that.
It's past 10 o'clock for you now. We know that.
No problem. I can do that. We can actually finish this one for today.
Okay.
Okay.
Then next week we know we are starting a new lesson.
Okay.
Okay.
But ngomno jeshile mi akpola fi enye o in words like tosisi, which is river. Tosisi, river. Tosisi, river.
Oh.
Ko, feast. That is the feast. Where is the feast? Feast. Ko. Feast. Or it could also mean to carry. It could also mean to carry. Ko. Edako revia. Edako revia.
Okay. Yeah.
Or etuko revia. Ko. It could also mean to carry. Ko zipila. Ko zipila. He or she carried the seats. He or she carried the seats. Afo. Foot. Which is the leg. Foot. Leg. Or the Afo. Depending on how which part of it you want to describe. So actually afo or the leg or the foot. Yeah, afo. Afo.
Running water.
Po. Po. Yes, Tosisi, which is a running water. Yeah, actually, Tosisi,
Okay.
which is
Tosisi.
river. Yeah, river.
That's what
Yeah,
the
river
person
is a running water. Yeah.
Water. Okay.
Papa, father, or Papa, Papa, which is a fan, the locally manufactured fan.
Papa,
Papa,
yeah.
Papa. Papi, Hamatan. Papi, Hamatan. Papiedo, Agba.
Okay.
Papiedo, Agba. Pamplo.
I know what Pamplo is.
Bamboo. Yeah. Bamboo. Pamplo. Yeah, Pamplo. No. You roll the tongue along the Avila Ridge.
Oh my goodness.
So you have a word like Srɔƒe.
Zero.
Yeah, to smoothen something. A smooth, when something is smooth. Srɔƒe. The thing is smooth.
Okay.
Srɔƒe.
Zero.
It could also mean the action of making something smooth, which is the verb. To make smooth. Tro. To return or to get back.
True.
To return or to get back. To return or to get back. Tro.
Najo.
Yeah, tro najo. Tra.
Yeah.
To get missing. When you get missing, you get lost. So atra, amatra.
Okay.
When you get missing in the woods, we can say that the person has missed his way, or the person has couldn't find his way around a certain place. We say that ama etra. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. That miakpele nyauma but which is law. Law. What was what the nami, which is actually they have we have been given a law, or we have been given an instruction. Actually, it could also mean an instruction in a context. That which is law. Could also mean God, actually, but the God in God we write it with capital letter. It could also mean sir. Someone is saying yes, sir. Yes, depending on the tone. That's why I said the words I put here, they are not exhaustive. They are not exhaustive. They are just few examples for us to see how the alphabets are used.
Yeah. Okay.
So, which is a horse. Horse. So horse, or it could be so to equate something. So to equate
So.
two things or to equate some things. So. But so is a horse. Asi. Hand. Yeah, hand. Yeah, hand. Asi. Hand. Asi. Or asi. Market. Market. Asi. Market. Yeah, we can find it in words like te, which is yam, yam, yam. Or it could also mean to bite, to bite, or it could also mean, it could also mean to press something down. So ta, which is head. Or it could also mean the hedge of something. The of water, the edge of something. The edge of something. We call it a ta. Tasi, which is an aunt, your father's sister. Tasi, aunt. Tasi. Yeah. Nyakwele nyauma abe mosquito. Mosquito. Or mu. When something falls down. When something falls down. Do, as in town. And avu, as in dog. Dog.
Yeah, avu.
Vu. Yeah, vu. Yeah. We have it in words like v, a child, 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 or v, small, the small of something, v, small, v, kusivi adela. I have a small basket. Agbavi adela. I have a small plate. Which is neck. It means when something is bitter or something is scarce. When something is bitter or something is scarce, the chia level or the chia vento, the soup is bitter, very bitter. Or you can also say a gala, it means that food is scarce. So ver means something that is scarce as well. Avo, as in cloth. Avo, cloth. Cloth. Vu. Yeah, that's it. Vu. No, it's not. Don't. It's the two leaves that are actually doing the upper and the lower lip. Vous.
Okay.
Vous. So, miakpele nyao abe v, which is a whole, whole. Miakpele nyao abe vo, door, vo, door, door. We can also see it in words like vous, which is a vehicle or lorry or whatever, any one of them, or canoe. A canoe is also vous, but we qualify it with toji, vous, when we want to talk about the canoe.
When it goes on the sea.
Yeah. So vous, it's a vehicle or etc. All right. Where? As in words like wo, powder, something that is powdery. So you can have corn flour, and all that. Woo or woo. To kill. Awudala, he killed the snake. Awudala, he killed the snake. Or woo, when something supersedes. A dollar wumi. A dollar wumi, the work, it means that the work supersedes us. We can, it's over our limits. So Wulo is it's another word for la. It's another word for la. Wulo in some dialects of Ewe. When some people will say la, others will say wulo, which is also to hide. To hide. To hide.
Okay.
Yeah. As in words like ya, air, or wind. Air, or wind. Ye, cutlass. Cutlass. Or ye, to go.
Okay.
Ye, spider. Spider.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, to call. Yo, to call. Yo, to call. Or yo, lies. That's
the one
insects that lives in the hair. Yo, lies. That lives in the hair, in the human hair. Yo. Or yo, which is to actually to be in an unusual hurry to do something. Impatient. You are impatient. So yo will also mean impatience. Z. Yeah, it's in words like za. Night. Yeah. Night.
Zado.
Yeah, night.
Za.
Or za. When you do something and you do something hurriedly, you do the thing in a very precise way, in a hurried manner, precise way. In a hurried manner. Okay. Z, which is pot.
Oh, okay.
Pot.
Yeah.
Pot. 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 Zo is a bigger pot. So we are talking about Z, which is a pot. but it's smaller than zo, which is bigger. So a bigger pot, the bigger one is called zo. Zo.
So.
Zo. Okay. Now the diphthongs, we are now talking about these particular alphabets, the alphabets that are more than one. They are more than one. Oh.
I want to bet me. I bet yeah.
Obe eza woye do abalo blonene Victor Prof Claire Ife Amo Dr. Dobe head of department Plato Gata Olafia eza do nauta ke mia ada kukuna mashama be mia cho egbeto asedafia alabe koshira egbona mamnida agbe ha miega fia noga alabe Nufialaga alo Professor Dekorn rega to troge agbo mia dome alabe mieda pe miecho monpopo ya pe damna Professor Dekorn ble Dr. Emmanuel Dogbe Ikenye head of department na University of Education Winneba Department of Ewe Education where only omnami mien get a strong cho afia me da na wale onton yide history alo jojom nyao vai obe nyemakarijo mayunyo gake cho la mio kanya kumwale egba ewo vado egbe ale mi egba nglome pleto mogata mi dakpe na alo mi dakpe na mi afa department University of Education Winneba kata akpena mi yo dana mi mereku welcome.
It's, I mean, I would love to just keep on going. Like Doc kept reminding us, you guys are 5, almost 6 hours ahead of us. 5, that's the mere Doc Benami. I just didn't think it was going to be this way. It's really, really good. The other professors who are also probably in the background listening to us, everything they're doing, just their spirits being there, is helping us. And we hope that you'll go on our lines and give us some good comments. And if you have any questions, you can always ask. The other thing too is, like Doc said, next time we are going to make sure, we'll try because to try to make sure that, or to see really, if you can ask questions whilst the show is on. So Doc, let me a good one nice music there. Give us some good music to go now. Thank you. Yes, we have.
Yo, akpe ke yima egbeto ha afia me ko sede ya obe vi ma vonale agalago ma o obe Nufialaga prof la fia na yima glenyo kamera ku na
vivi ma vonale
correct na mark
vivi ma vonala goku afi okoni fuogo
agokun okone fuogo
alo agokun afi okoni fuogo yeah
yo akpe yo Teriko hayada
Madu Hebiara Agbajaya oh I mean okay well baby bring it on. Akpena Milo. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Go online, subscribe. Whatever you have. I can dance with it.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, come on. What am I want to hear that?
I can't hear anything.
We are going to be learning this ever. How to write, how to sing, how to dance it. It's all in learning. So, keep tuned every Saturday. And if you have friends, send them to us. They can be answered next week. Also.
Thank you.
Akpe na msha kola kata ngida akpe na mi yawe va oto
Can't stop, really. Mama, what's up, brother? Mama, just shower. Yeah, one day, I'm you know, that is where we know the differences. One day.
Yeah.
Right? No, because we'll be getting new, interested learners. Wow. So they will have to know.
Yeah.
Yo, akpe na mi kata kola kata ngida akpe na mi.
Thank you very much.
Yo, thank you. Yo, akpe prof. Yo, tell me God. Yo, akpe. Yo, dynamic. Yo, yeah. Akpe ton happy mi ko senya. Yo, bye bye.
Give us a stargaze.
Sorry, it's not okay.
Give us a stargaze.
Okay.
Oh, we are not leaving. But you know we'll be learning something. All right.
Okay. Yo, okay. Yeah, man.